Lookma is an app that connects your mobile device to a large language model running on your local network. The model is not running on your mobile device itself, so you need to be running an LLM with an API server. There are a lot of different programs to do this, but there's a few ones that are pretty easy to use, such as Lookma, Jan, or LMStudio. I'm going to use LMStudio for this tutorial because it's one of the easiest to use. You need to download it on the machine where you want to run the model, then download the model you want to use, select Local Server, then select the model from the dropdown. Then you need to click on Start Server, and that's it. If you're using Jan, make sure that when you select the local server that you're using the zeros here. That opens it up to your local network. Then, after you start the server, take note of the name of the model down here. You're going to need that later. Now you're going to be asked to add a local combo within Lookma. So tap on Add Local Combo. This is going to be a combination of your server as well as the software that you're using to run the server and information about how to connect to the server. So I'm going to name this Basement Tiny Llama. Then you put in the model name. If you're using Jan, it's important that you get this name exactly right, otherwise it won't work. You can find the model name within the software that you're running. Then add the local server address. If you're unsure how to do that, this will give you some simple instructions, but you can Google it and figure it out yourself. In this case, this is my local server. And then select the app. Since I'm using LMStudio, I will select that. It defaults the port. Then tap on Test Connection. You're connected. Save server. There you go. Now you can start a new conversation. Tap Start New Conversation. And ask the model whatever you want. Have fun using Lookma.